Hey everyone, this is Vishwanath Pratap Singh. Our today's problem is pair me problem. So this is really very easy problem. So let me explain you what the problem is. That the chef trying to find the patterns within integers. Okay, there is a pattern that any one of them on that he's having three integers. Okay, three positive integers, and any one of the integer can be written as the sum of the other two integers. Okay, for example, if we are having xyz integer, okay, so z can be written as the sum of the x plus y, sum of x and y, and y, there could be also a possibility that y can also be written as that x plus z. Okay, and it could be also possible that x can be written as y plus z. Okay, so in input what we have given that the first line will contain number 5. It means there will be 5 test cases at most. Okay, then test cases follows. Each test case contains single line of input and three space separated integers x, y and z. Okay, we have to output that in a single line if it is possible to represent any integer among the three of as the sum of the other two integers, and no if it is not possible. Okay, so what we, and these three integers should be less than 1000 and should be greater than 1, greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so here you can see a sample input and output also. So 5 is given. Okay, so 1 2 and 3 is given here. Sorry, 1 2 3, not 1 2 3. There is 1 1 2 is given here. 1 1 2 is given. Okay, so firstly we will check for x, that whether x is can be represented as a sum of y and z or not. Okay, so we will see that x is one cannot be represented as the sum of these 1 and 2, and we will all same check for y also, and then we will check for z. So when we check for z, we will see that 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, so definitely we just have to print yes. And in the next condition we will see that when we will check for y, so we will see that y can be represented as the sum of x and z. Okay, then we have to print yes. And in the next we are having all the three digits are equal, so definitely because they are equal, so it is not possible to represent them as like that. Okay, and in the next third and the next, here we have given 100 and 201, so it is also not possible to represent any of them as the sum of other two integers. Okay, and at the last we are given 11 22 and 33, so here z is possible, that z can be represented as the sum of x1 and y, means 11 plus 22, which is, so we will get yes. So here is a little bit explanation to it, that how it is possible to give this thing. So there is only one condition, that we have to find the, we have to check whether a particular number is represented, can be represented as the sum of the others two or not. So here we will just use three conditions. So actually here I have already made the solution. Okay, so here you can see that t is the number of test cases. I have made it for n values. Okay, if you want it for only 5 values, so you can do, but because here it is inputting 5 also, so maybe this is possible that they may take 4 1 and 2, so that's why I have just used t here. Okay, and then we are taking the input of these three integers. Here you can see, here is we are having this thing, that firstly we are taking the input of x1 y and z. Okay, I have taken a variable check is equal to false, boolean variable. Okay, and then I have made a condition that if z is equal to x plus y, so then check is equal to true, and then it will check for all these three digits, and if it is possible, and if the value of the check is equal to true, so definitely it will be printing yes to us, and otherwise it will be printing no to us. Okay, so let me run this thing. Okay, if I am running this thing, okay, so from here I will just copy all these inputs. Okay, and here I have just pasted these inputs, so here you can see the answer. Okay, for 112 it is given. Okay, yeah, for 112 it is giving yes, for 132 it is giving yes also, for 222 it is giving no, and for this one is it is giving no, and for 33 it is giving this one. So here you can see the output also matches. So you can actually submit this one using this thing. Okay, submit practice. I will give you the link of this problem in the description. Okay, so you can submit it here, because I have already submitted it, so I don't need to submit it again. Okay, I have already solved this one. So thank you very much everyone for seeing these videos, for watching this video. Thanks a lot.